Yeah. Chinky's wife, she's very, oh my god, she's great.
Everything is good. That's her. That's how she says good. Good.
Good. Good.
I haven't heard from Chinky today.
Ay, ay, ay.
The mountains are beautiful near your home, senorita.
Yeah. Yeah, mountain is good. My husband, wala. He don't want, you want mountain, right?
Oh, yeah. This weekend we're gonna make more video of the mountain.
Oh, remember you said we're going to Viewpoint?
Mm.
Yeah, we're going Viewpoint and we're gonna do a video. Mundong soup.
We're gonna the weekend we're gonna go to a nearby place that has more mountain views. It's different, but it's a cool, awesome place to go and visit. Kingaray, Mongdang Su.
What is Mongdang soup?
I don't know. Doctor says tell her the food he ain't cook look real professional. All good.
Yeah, real professional and
Mhm.
oh my god, lamig kayo. Masarap. Sobrang sarap.
Yeah. Her tita has been a cook or a chef there for many years, right, babe? How many years
I
now?
don't
Long?
know how many years.
Many years. Doctor is man.
Maybe 3 years.
When I tell you, when I go to other places here, I get old chicken, I get uncooked chicken, stuff like that. Every time I go there, they never. Her tita is always cooked very good.
How you say his name? Are you in the store? Yeah, we're here in the store.
Kangarai, yes, King Garai, we're in the store. Sorry,
We're in the
sorry.
store. In our little store. The my store.
Doctor says I could taste it by looking at it. Hell yeah. Super
Yeah,
good.
remember this one? You get a hire in the future.
Yeah.
Shushu in the glass.
Yeah.
Kingarai. It's okay. Where you from, Kingarai? Kingarai?
King Garai, where are you from? Doctor says she's your future chef in the future. Yeah, we give her how much tip we give her?
You give her 100.
Yeah, we give her 100 tip because so good the food.
The girl, I wish I could have store. Oregon.
You're in Oregon, Oregon, USA. Oh man,
Oh. Yeah,
you
it's nice to have a store.
you need to come to the Philippines. Why are you in the US, man? Or woman? Oh, your family is from El Salvador. Ah, okay, okay. You need to get your money. You need to get your money and go to your country, whatever. Retire, happy, bro, happy. Doctor says, ha ha ha. I don't know what we told the doctor. Yeah, the tita cooks excellent, bro.
Oh, yeah.
The pancit guisado,
Pancit guisado.
man, 100 and how much is it? 130,
140 lang. 140 pesos.
140 long. I
That one
think
is good for 2 packs.
I think I'm just gonna go there and buy it just whenever. Hopefully they don't find me because there is entrance fee, but
I know the owner, so the red horse is free. The entrance.
maybe we can talk to the owner. We could just buy food. No, just like pick up,
Yeah, we
like
can
take
do
out.
that. I just have to message my aunt.
Yeah, take out the pancit guisado. Shit, this is the first time I try it. Super good, bro.
Kinder, how's life in Philippines? It's okay. We're broke, but we're happy.
We're bro, we're happy.